When the word governance is used, it means how the organization is managed and how the authority structure works within the organization. The authority is needed to manage people, roles, the structure, systems, and policies. The governance framework within the organization includes the rules, policies, procedures, norms, shared values, relationships defined through an organizational chart or job descriptions, systems, and processes. When all these factors support each other and give a consistent approach and message, the organization has better control over achieving its objectives and in managing risks and challenges and in running the organization. But that is not where it ends. The organization also needs to manage portfolios, programs, and projects. It is called organizational project management, and it must be aligned to all those factors mentioned above. There are 4 domains that relate to portfolios, programs, and projects governance: alignment, risk, performance, and communication. Each of these domains has several functions and processes for the successful delivery of projects and programs and achieving of portfolio objectives. One interesting point to note is that if you look at various organizations, this governance framework will look different. The reason is that all those frameworks have been tailored or established uniquely for the organization. How work is assigned, authorized, and managed, and related factors like accountability and how the work direction is set are all unique to one organization. One organization may never look at its resources are optimally loaded with work. Others may be doing that. One organization gives safety topmost priority with well-defined policies and procedures. Others may take it as a suggested way. And there can be many other unique approaches. So, governance framework is a combination or collection of all that: policies, procedures, rules, norms, shared values, organizational structure, systems, and processes.